All right, everybody, so I give you a little walk around of the Road King after we're all done. We put the American Suspensions full air ride in it. It comes with, you know, all the parts to do the front, and it comes with their patented rear shocks that you can kind of see down in there. They're billet aluminum, high performance shocks. So we rode this the other night, and the ride we got out of it is absolutely unbelievable. It has a little air compressor, so it goes up fairly fast. So do the front first, go up with the front. So that's full up with the front. Then you can do the rear. And that's up with the rear. It's pretty unbelievable how much difference there was in the ride from having stock front forks set up with airbags in the back. It had dirty air in the back of it before, and now with this, it's night and day difference. Let it all the way down once. Go ahead and start it up once, Tara. I think it's in neutral, ain't it?
I have no idea.
Does it say N on the dash? Flip the lever up, the shifter. She's never started it before, so oh, one too far. There you go. Nope. Other one down. Yep. Nope. Yep. Down. Push it down. There you go. Now hit start. Rev it up a little bit. Rev it up a little bit. Don't be scared of it.